What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing this water trap on my STI. Hopefully this car still works. We're going to see. It's been a while. But yeah, the part came in. $20 for shipping for this little box. I feel like I get ripped off each time. And I still go back to them. But yeah, like I said on the other video that I made, I'm going to just be using one tank. So it's a little easier to wire up. We're going to be connecting, since I have two compressors, it's going to be connecting one there, one on the other side. And then I have that tool where you can connect like your air tools or whatever. I'm going to connect that there. And then this is the one that's going to send the air to the manifold. So yeah, we're about to open it up right now. We're about to see this huge package that came in. So this is the water trap. I got the automatic one. So I'm guessing you just connect an air line there, and then it's just going to drop all the water to wherever you lead it to. And then these are the fittings that I got. That's the one that's going to connect directly to the tank. And then the other side is going to connect to the water trap. And then this is going to connect to the other side of the water trap. And then that line is going to go to your manifold. So yeah, we're going to connect that right now. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is connect each compressor to the tank. Take this garbage off and then put some new one on there. Alright, so there's one. Now we got to do the same exact thing to the other side. Alright, same thing. Put some tape on this little thing. Next thing I'm going to be connecting is this quick connect coupler. I'm going to connect that one to one of those other holes. Got to use this little adapter thing. See if it focuses. Maybe. There you go. Use one of these adapter things. Get it connected directly to the tank, and then you can connect the little quick connect. Same thing. Same exact thing. Get some tape on there. I have no idea what the exact name for this is. Looks like tape. So we're just going to use a 19 and 14 millimeter wrench to get this tightened up. So don't over tighten it, because you can see what happened there. But yeah, that's tight now. You just got to connect it directly to the tank now. After I put some of this thing on there. So that took me a while. But yeah, you just want to connect it directly. So this water trap has a arrow, and that arrow, if it's going in like this, the arrow has to be going towards me, because that's where the air is going to go through, and then to the manifold. So now we're just going to connect those two fittings. How I said, this one connects directly to the tank, like that, and then the other side is going to connect to the water trap, and then that other side, that fitting is going to go in there, and then the air line. Then that air line to the manifold. So yeah, we're going to do that right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is connect the fittings to the water trap. I feel like that's easier. So since this side is going to go directly to the tank, we're going to do this right here. This other side connects like that. to 9/16. Tighten these good. And yeah, that's it. Then it just goes directly into the tank. So now we're just going to connect it directly to the tank. Alright, so I want the water trap to be like downwards all the way, but we're going to see if we can get that, because it's pretty tight right now and I don't want to break it or strip it or whatever. So we're going to see right now what we can do. Alright, that's perfect. Got it connected now. Got it how I want it. Now we're just going to connect the compressors, connect all the lines to the manifold and see if it's going to work or not. This thing's a mess right now. I got to fix it all and get it all organized. But one of the compressors is going to go to the main harness, and then one of them is going to go to the secondary compressor harness. So we're going to do that right now. Strip the wires. I should probably get the things that connects them properly. This is like a good way of doing it. And still up here like that. And then negative. We do the same exact thing for the other compressor. And this is the secondary compressor harness, so we're just going to connect it there. And yeah, strip these. Had to get 2 more of these for the other one. Now we'll do the same exact thing. And then we just connect that signal wire like that. And then the very last thing for the tanks is connecting this one that goes at the very bottom of the tank. Get that water. Let's see if it focuses. This camera sucks at focusing. There we go. So we're gonna connect that to the very bottom of the tank, and then it just has a valve stem on the other side, so we can just take out air and moisture. Right, finally it focuses. So yeah, the other side is just this, and you can take out the valve stem so you can get all the water and air out of the tank. It's another way. But with that water trap, I think it should be good. But yeah, we're still going to do that. Put it at the very bottom of the tank. We're just going to be connecting that at the very bottom of the tank. And you guys can see right now how that works out. Alright, so that's good. Now we just gotta figure out what line goes into which. This thing is such a mess right now. I really gotta get that wood so I can make the wood trunk setup. But yeah, we're just gonna connect each line into the manifold now, and I'm thinking about running a line into like a water bottle or something from that water trap to see if it actually puts in the work and gets all the water out of there. And yeah, we're just gonna connect all those lines and see if it works or not. Alright, so I'm just trying to figure out what line is which and then get it connected into the manifold. And for this line, this is the one that was connected before. That was connected just directly to the tank and then to the manifold without the water trap. So I'm going to just cut it and then connect it to the water trap and then to the manifold. Alright, so now just from the manifold to that water trap. Just like that. This harness connector to the manifold. And yeah, that's it. But yeah, this thing looks like a total mess. I really got to fix it up. But I really want to get that trunk thing first because I don't want to have it like this. I want to have everything hidden. And then that tank with all those fittings can be facing back. I want to get it powder coated. And yeah, I'm trying to think of if I'm forgetting anything. But, oh look, that line disconnected from the, oh never mind, it didn't. It's just hiding. I think I'm going to just get a line connected to the bottom of the water trap and then put a water bottle or something there. And just have it there over time to see if it's actually working how I said. But yeah, I'm going to do that right now and see. And then turn it on and see if it's even going to work. Alright, moment of truth. I've been in here for a while. Let's see. I should probably connect the fuses. I kind of disconnected everything when I took everything apart, so I didn't cause a short or anything. Now I gotta remember where I put those fuses. Oh, they're right here. Alright, those are in. Controller's on. Says tank too low. It's filling up. Both compressors are on. I feel like turning it down because I changed the PSI on this. I changed it to 190. Holy shit. I'm gonna change it to 170. Save, home. Yeah, we're gonna see. That code just pops up randomly, like when I was driving, when I was off work one day. It popped up and then all the air from that side just came out. I was so scared. Look how fast it airs up though. I definitely recommend getting 2 compressors. But yeah, I'll be driving it today and see. I'll keep you guys updated if it works or not. Alright, so that's how you install a water trap, and I hope the manifold is not faulty because I do not want to buy a new one. But we'll see if the water trap fixes it. But yeah, everything's connected. It's holding pressure, no leaks or anything. But yeah, it's good there. Yeah, that's how you install a water trap. I hope it works. If not, then the sensor is faulty, and then I'll just have to get a whole new manifold. I won't have another choice. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, so after I finished recording this video, I went and take it for a wash, and I almost cried. So the thing did pop up again, pressure sensor fault. So it looks like I do have to buy a new manifold, and I'm about to cry. Anybody want to buy a 13 STI? It's on air ride, that doesn't work. And wrap wheels, XXRs. This is so sad. Oh my god, I don't even know what I want to do now. So I can either buy the manifold for $800, it's like $850, or I can buy the manual management without like the compressors and the tanks, and that's the one the Forester has, and that's like $500. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna just leave it off for a bit. I don't want to deal with it. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I'm screwed, and to not buy air ride ever in your life. Stick to being cool and static. Don't go air ride. You heard it from me. Don't do it. It's a trap.